turbo convection oven. It does it all. It's a great machine to have around your kitchen. Easy to cook ribs, chicken, whatever you want to do in it. Totally self-contained. It's got a great stand that it sits on, so it's really hard to get affected by the heat generated from it. There's a heat control, there's a timer control, and the handles won't let you use it unless they're clicked down, and that activates the whole system. So as a built-in safety, you can also lift the top up. Really is nice, and it comes with these strange and weird tongs for lifting things. Yep, those are tongs. And it comes with a high grill for smaller chickens, so it's closer to the heat, or the low grill for bigger chickens. High grill is also good for crisping, doing a more crispy chicken with it. So there you go. This is your self-contained turbo convection oven.